In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export audio from your video inside Mac without any third-party software using the default video player of your MacBook. So I'm going to show you. So just open your video that you want to export to audio. In my case, this is my example video and I want to export the audio so I can edit the audio using other software. So just to open your video inside QuickTime Player, go to File, and from here you can see this option export as. So there is different kind of formation, and here you can see this option audio only. So just click on this. So now you can see this open a new document where you can create your file. So I'm going to choose the default document section and click on save. That's it. Now if I go to my document, you can see this is my document folder. Now this is the audio file. That is the only audio file of this video. So this was the way how you can only export the audio from your video using the Mac built-in system. So thanks for watching. If this video helped, please hit the subscribe button and I'll see you guys on the next video.